And big news coming in right now. Indigo has issued a fresh statement on this entire chaos that has been ensuing for past few days. Cancellation of flights. They have given out fresh data. Indigo says that out of the 138 destinations that they service, 137 destinations are in operation. This is the claim that they're making. They are also saying that they are on track to operate over 1,650 flights, 1,650 flights today. Now, this is higher than what was operated yesterday, which was 1,500. Now, Indigo is also saying that their on-time operations have improved. Yesterday, it was 30% and today, it is 75%. So they are claiming that their flights are landing on time as well. Joining us right now is India Today's Shreya Chatterjee. Shreya, claims being made by Indigo. They are saying that they seem to be on full recovery. They are claiming on-time operations for 75% of their flights as well. And they are claiming that more flights were operated today than yesterday.
Well, that indeed is true, but we are still yet to see a full and functional flight operation by the Indigo. Now, they have a total 2,300 flights, but they are landing at a capacity of 1,650 is what, as per this news release that's coming from the Indigo. They are saying that they have improved their operations. Indeed, from what we've seen yesterday and day before yesterday, but this is the 6th day into the crisis and heads yet to roll against the Indigo. The show cause notice has definitely been issued against them. The CEO has to give a plausible answer because yesterday in that meeting at the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the responses by Indigo wasn't found satisfactory by the government. So we are yet to see an action because this is the 5th impending 6th day into the crisis. So clearly things need to be done on the ground because there are people still stuck in soup as we are yet to see a full functional operation by the Indigo.
Right, Shreya, thank you for all that information and those details. So clearly, things have not normalized for sure.